Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best garage door murals is probably one of the most creative and festive ways to decorate your home for Christmas, offering a unique and large-scale canvas to showcase your holiday spirit. Whether you prefer a whimsical winter wonderland, a classic Santa Claus scene, or a modern minimalist design, there's a garage door mural out there to perfectly capture your Christmas aesthetic, transforming your garage from a simple storage space into a dazzling holiday attraction that will impress your neighbors and bring joy to all who pass by. Number 5. Christmas Candy Garage Door Banner. This large banner is perfect for adding a festive touch to your home this Christmas. It's easy to hang and will make a stunning backdrop for photos. At 6 by 13 feet, it's designed to fit most garage doors. The built-in grommets and included strings make hanging it a breeze. Made from thick, durable polyester, it features a vibrant print that won't fade, whether used indoors or outdoors. It's ideal for homes, schools, churches, or any place needing a festive touch. Use it at your next holiday gathering. This banner will help you create beautiful, memorable photos and selfies with family and friends. It's the perfect addition to your Christmas celebrations. This festive banner will make your home stand out this Christmas season. Enjoy the holiday spirit. What we like. It's a huge Christmas candy-themed banner, easy to hang with pre-attached strings and grommets. The vibrant print is perfect for creating a memorable holiday atmosphere. If you need a large, eye-catching decoration for indoor or outdoor use, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The backdrop itself is beautiful. The colors are vibrant. This is adorable and worked well to cover our 2-car garage door for the Christmas holiday event. This item was as described. It's a bit smaller for my 2-car garage door, but not significantly. It seems to be durable. Number 4. Christmas Garage Door Banner. Transform your garage into a winter wonderland. This magical display brings the charm and wonder of Christmas to your home, creating a festive atmosphere for your family and guests. It's made of tension polyester with a hook and loop closure for easy installation. The vibrant colors and weather-resistant material will make it the talk of the neighborhood. Putting it up is easy, no hardware needed. Just wrap the corners around your garage door and secure it with the fasteners. Then, store it in its bag for future use. Make your home the star of the season with this captivating design. The dazzling colors against the snowy backdrop create a whimsical, eye-catching display. We stand behind the exceptional quality. If you're not satisfied, let us know, and we'll make things right. What we like. This banner features an enchanting winter wonderland scene. It's super easy to install with a hook and loop closure, no extra hardware needed. The durable tension polyester ensures it will last through the season. If you're looking for a magical and hassle-free way to decorate your garage, this is it. What people say. Great quality and easy to install. Love how easy it was to attach to door and the graphic is joyful. Fits the garage perfect and is something the rest of the neighbors don't have. Easy to install and wow, does it look good. Number 3. Santa's Workshop Garage Banner. This enchanting banner transforms your garage into a magical Christmas scene. It features Santa, elves, and toys, creating the ultimate holiday greeting for your home. Made of durable, weather-resistant polyester, it's easy to install with its hook and loop closure. Enjoy vibrant colors and a long-lasting holiday decoration. No tools are needed. Just wrap it around your garage door and secure it with the fasteners. It's quick and easy to put up and take down. Delight children and adults with this unique design. The detailed scene of Santa, elves, and toys creates a captivating Christmas wonderland. We're confident you'll love it, but if not, let us know. We're committed to your satisfaction. What we like. Bring the magic of Santa's workshop to your home with this festive banner. It's made with easy hook and loop installation, no tools required. The durable tension polyester material ensures it'll withstand the elements. If you want to create a whimsical and joyful Christmas scene, this banner is perfect for you. What people say. Quality is what I expected from the reviews. Looks wonderful and added that needed touch to our outdoor display. Exactly as shown, easy to install. Very well made. Arrived as expected. Fit my garage door and looks wonderful. Fairly easy to install and even easier with 2 people. Survived a wet winter already and pulling it out for season 2 soon. Certainly sets your Christmas decor apart from others. Number 2. Silver Ornaments Garage Door Banner. Transform your home's exterior into a stylish winter wonderland this holiday season. This elegant banner adds instant festive charm and welcomes guests with sophistication. It's made of durable, weather-resistant polyester with a convenient hook and loop closure for easy installation. Enjoy vibrant colors and a hassle-free setup. No tools are needed. Just wrap it around your garage door and secure it with the fasteners. It's that easy to add holiday cheer. The intricate silver ornament design creates a luxurious and visually stunning display. It's sure to make your home the centerpiece of holiday celebrations. We're confident you'll love it, but if not, we'll make it right. Your satisfaction is our priority. What we like. This banner offers an elegant and sophisticated look with its shimmering silver ornaments. It's incredibly easy to put up, thanks to the hook and loop closure. The high-quality tension polyester ensures a long-lasting display. If you prefer a refined and stylish Christmas decoration, this is your best option. What people say. Displayed on our garage door. Prettiest one in our community. Heavy duty, easy to install. Great product, would highly recommend. This garage door banner is absolutely gorgeous in person. It looks great and fits perfectly. The colors are bright and vibrant and very festive for the Christmas season. The quality is exceptional and it's super durable and sturdy. It's also very easy to install. Number 1. Red Truck Christmas Banner. Transform your home this holiday season. This nostalgic banner will fill your home with warmth and joy. It's made of durable polyester with a hook and loop closure for easy installation. The vibrant colors and weather-resistant material will make it a neighborhood favorite. Putting it up is a breeze, no extra hardware needed. Just wrap the corners and secure it with the fasteners. Then, store it easily in its bag for next year. This classic red truck and Christmas tree design creates a charming holiday scene. It'll make your home the envy of the block. We're confident you'll love it, but if not, let us know. We're committed to your satisfaction. What we like. This banner features a classic and heartwarming design of a red truck carrying a Christmas tree. Installation is a breeze with the hook and loop fasteners. The durable tension polyester material guarantees it'll look great all season long. If you love traditional Christmas charm, this banner will perfectly capture the nostalgic spirit of the holidays. What people say. The banner looks beautiful, many neighbors have made positive comments. Very easy to install. It is very cute and using the magnets, it was very easy to install. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.